From Sooner Standards, The Crystal World, a complete literature unit built from J.G. Ballard's science fiction classic, for advanced high school readers. Students trace how Ballard's crystallization phenomenon fuses science fiction with colonial-era power structures, analyzing symbolism, psychological adaptation, and the collision between scientific observation and the supernatural. Inside, 20 detailed lesson plans, 20 summative assessments with essay prompts, 20 collaborative group activities, and 20 individual literary analysis exercises, all aligned to Common Core RL.11-12.1 through RL.11-12.6. Plus complete grading rubrics for every written assignment, connecting Ballard's disaster fiction to modern environmental literature. That's 160 pages covering advanced literary analysis, ready for immediate classroom use. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers,